Biohacking for beginners. Biohacking is the use of techniques to improve biological function, physical and/or mental health, memory and performance in order to increase your lifespan, slow down aging, and speed up the body's ability to recover from illness and disease. The benefits of biohacking. Biohacking can offer many potential benefits, including improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, better sleep, and enhanced physical performance. In addition, biohacking can help to reduce stress levels, improve mood, and promote overall well-being. It can involve anything from using devices to track fitness goals to using genetic testing to customize a nutrition plan. What are the risks of biohacking? One of the most popular biohacking practices is breathwork. Breathwork involves consciously altering your breathing pattern in order to achieve a desired effect. While breathwork can have some impressive benefits, there are also some risks involved. One of the most significant risks is that of hyperventilation. This can occur if you breathe too deeply or quickly. Myths and misconceptions about biohacking. Biohacking is only for wealthy people. This is simply not true. There are many DIY biohackers who are doing interesting and innovative things on a shoestring budget. While biohacking can certainly involve expensive gadgetry, like installing an infrared sauna in your home, there are plenty of simple and free ways to get started. For example, you can hack your diet by eating more nutrient-rich foods, drinking more water, and cutting out processed foods. Or you can hack your sleep by implementing better sleep hygiene habits. None of these things require much money. Biohacking is only for people with medical conditions. While biohacking can certainly help people with medical conditions, it's not only for them. Anyone can benefit from biohacking. Biohacking is dangerous. The idea of tinkering with your body's biology can be a bit scary, but the truth is most biohacks are actually quite safe. While it's true that some biohacking techniques are experimental and thus carry some risk, the same can be said of any new technology. Biohacking is illegal or unethical. This is another myth that is not true. The majority of biohacks are perfectly legal and ethical. However, as with anything, there are some people who take things to extremes, especially when it comes to gene editing. Biohacking is a fast-growing phenomenon that has the potential to completely change how humans live their lives. You don't need to be wealthy, have medical conditions, or even know much about science to benefit from this new technology. So what are you waiting for? Start biohacking your health today.